Hi, Fairfield Union community. My name is Michelle Wright. I am the speech language pathologist, also known as the speech therapist at Fairfield Union Local Schools. I currently serve in my 15th year at Pleasantville Elementary, Rushville Middle School, and Fairfield Union High School. A little bit about myself is my undergraduate was completed at Ohio University. For graduate school, I completed it through University of Cincinnati. Um, I am married to Drew, who is a land surveyor, and we have a wonderful little boy who's 8 years old. He attends Pleasantville Elementary at third grade. Also at home, we do have a couple of dogs who are like family as well. That would be Sarge and Sloopy. In our spare time, or my spare time, I prefer to do a little bit of quiet in all the chaos. So I enjoy reading, painting, watching movies, spending time with my friends. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me at Michelle Wright. That's MICHELLEWRIGHT at fairfieldunion.org. I do look forward to seeing all the kiddos, and I hope we have a wonderful year. Thanks.